Hello viewers, in this class we are going to learn about Newman projection. This is very important topic. N number of questions have been asked from this concept. So let's go into this topic. Task is, the line structure is given and the angle of view also given. From this one we have to convert this line structure into the Newman projection. So the angle of view is like this. So from this view, so this is your front carbon and this is your back side carbon. So now you are going to draw the front carbon and the back carbon. So first we take about the front carbon. Please listen carefully. So when we are weaving this one in this carbon, see this methyl group is coming down. Okay, so coming down. So what I am doing is, here it is methyl and these two groups are going like a V shape, or you can call it as an Y. So it's like this. Now I put the bromine in the left and this hydrogen here in the right. Now I assigned the front carbon. Now this carbon is connected to the back carbon. Okay, the back carbon is always represented in the form of circled form. Okay, so now this will be in the circled form. The back carbon is always represented in the form of circle. Okay, now so this front carbon is connected in the back carbon. Okay, now you are weaving. So you see, so the methyl grouping is projected upwards. That means you should put this like this. This is your methyl, and here the two atoms, hydrogen and a chlorine. Now where you will put that hydrogen and where you will put the chlorine? You see, as we know, this hydrogen and bromine are wedge bonds and this hydrogen and this chlorine are dash bonds. So that means wedge means same side. Okay, and this means it is opposite side. Okay, you see, that means this bromine and this chlorine are dash and wedge bonds. That means it should be in the opposite side. So that means what I should do, here I put it in the left hand side. So the chlorine I should put it in the right hand side. Okay, so like this. Is it clear? So this is your front carbon and this is your back carbon. Now you are going to merge. This is the step 1 and this is the step 2, and the step 3 is you are going to merge these two. You see? Okay, I merged it. So see, this one methyl like this. I put the bromine here and this is hydrogen and this is a methyl and this is for hydrogen, and here it is an hydrogen and here it is a chlorine. So this is the Newman projection of this compound with respect to this view. Okay, you see here this bromine and chlorine are opposite. Here it is wedge and this is dash. You see, this also means opposite. Here this hydrogen and this are also opposite. You see, both are opposite. These two methyls are opposite. You see, both are in the opposite. So this is the Newman projection of this structure. Okay, so let's see one more example. Here the view is from this angle. Okay, so that means this is your front carbon and this is your back side carbon. Now how do you draw? So the front carbon means always either it may be in the Y form, it may be inverted Y or any form. Okay, so you see, you are weaving in this angle, this is moving up, so that means it like this, moving up, and here it's like this is fluorine. As I told you, you put it anywhere. The OH I am putting it here left hand side, and the methyl I am keeping it right hand side. This is your front carbon. If it's for the back carbon, it should always represented in the form of circle in this view. So this methyl is coming down, that means it's like, so this is methyl. As I told you, you see here this OH and Cl are same side. You see, that means here I put it in the left hand side. So I should keep this OH also in the, chlorine also in the left hand side. You see, I am keeping at the left hand side, and this hydrogen is okay. So this is your back carbon. Now next you have to merge these two. How do you merge? Like this. You put it like this one. First you write the front carbon, the fluorine on the top, and this is OH is here, and this methyl is here, and the back carbon, this is CH3, the chlorine is here, and now we completed. So this is the Newman projection of this compound from this angle. You see, you check it, the chlorine and hydroxy are in the same side, wedge. Whether it's that, you see, both the chlorine and hydroxy are in the same side. This methyl and hydrogen both are the dashed bond. You see that also here. Yes, this is the way how you can convert the line structure into the Newman projection. Sometimes vice versa, they may ask you, they may give the Newman projection and convert into the line structure. Okay, I hope you may understand this class. Kindly share this video if you like this class.